weekend we are heading to TJ's, and as usual I am packing super last minute. We're leaving tonight. It's currently 6:40 in the morning and I have to pack the car because we're trying to leave as soon as we finish work.
Yeah, apparently it's like gross as fuck. Wait, can I reverse it out of it?
Last night we got in at maybe 10 o'clock. We got lost. As usual, Nick got us lost and it took us probably 3 and a bit hours to get in, but we made it. Met up with the crew and yeah, they're all off to wheel. I'm waiting for Nick and we'll go join them. had there to learn four-wheel driving, I want to go four-wheel driving. I've been passenger most of the day and it's my turn.
Feature me in the YouTube, bro. That was the recovery point.
We were following the track and we've come along this, and the only other way to go is up there. Let's go. So we've been doing this track probably for around half an hour. It's meant to be an hour and a half track. I think we've been lied to. We're not even a quarter of the way through. Hopefully it's pretty flat because it's getting dark. So fingers crossed. We're officially lost. Actually lost. It's so hard to navigate. This map's not to scale at all. And we're confused. Very confused. We made it. I'm so happy. We made it. 3 hours later. We made it.
Suzuki